Reproductive health. Total well-being in all aspects of reproduction, physical, emotional, behavioral, and social, is known as reproductive health. Reproductive and Child Health Program. India was among the first countries in the world to initiate family planning in 1951. Introduction of sex education in school, creating awareness through audio, visual, and print media. Awareness about problems like uncontrolled population, sex abuse, sex related crimes. Educating people about birth control options, care of pregnant mother and postnatal care, importance of breastfeeding, equal opportunities for male and female child, providing informative information about reproductive organs and adolescence, safe and hygienic sexual practices, population stabilization and birth control. Reason for increase in population: first, decline in death rate, decline in maternal mortality rate, decline in infant mortality rate, increase in number of people in reproductive age. Step to overcome population growth: use of print media for advertisement, example हम दो हमारे दो. Incentive to small families, young and urban couples adopting one child knobs. Legal age for marriage: female 18 years, male 21 years. Motivation for small families through contraceptive method. World population in 1900 2 billion, 2000 6 billion, 2011 7.2 billion. Indian population at independence 350 million, 2001 1 billion, 2011 1.2 billion. According to census 2011, growth rate was less than 2%. That means 20 per thousand per year. Now, contraceptive method which helps to prevent unwanted pregnancy. Ideal feature: user friendly, easily available, effective, reversibility, no or least side effect, should not interfere with sexual desire or drive. And now, natural method and artificial method. Periodic abstinence. Couples avoid coitus from 10th day to 17th day of menstrual cycle. Coitus interruptus. Male partner withdraw penis from vagina just before ejaculating to avoid insemination. Third, lactational amenorrhea. Menstrual cycle does not occur during period of intense lactation following pasteurization. Artificial method, barrier method, IUD, oral contraceptive. Barrier method, barrier prevent physical meeting of gametes. Condoms, male condoms cover the penis, female condom cover vagina and cervix. Diaphragm, cervical cap, valves insert into female reproductive tract to cover cervix during coitus. Spermicidal creams, jellies and foam use along with this barrier to increase contraceptive efficiency. IUD, intrauterine devices. Non-Medicaid IUDs, example lip lobes. Copper releasing IUD, CUT, CU7, multi-load 375. Cu plus 2 ion release from 375, it suppress sperm motility and fertilizing capacity. Hormone releasing IUD, progesterone and LNG20 make uterus unsuitable for implantation. Cervical surface irresponsible. Now, oral contraceptive pill. Progesterone or progesterone estrogen combination. Saheli non-steroid pill. Prevent implantation, few side effects and high contraceptive values. Mode of action: inhibit ovulation and implantation. Alters quality of cervical mucus. Pills to be taken daily for 21 days, starting preferably within first 5 days of menstrual cycle. Injectables and implantants. Prevent ovulation and implantation. Placed under skin. Contain progesterone or progesterone estrogen combination. Alter quality of cervical mucus. Now, emergency contraceptive pill made of progesterone or progesterone estrogen combination. Effective within 72 hours of coitus. Used to prevent possible pregnancy due to rape or unprotected intercourse. Now, surgical method that is called sterilization. Terminal method to prevent any more pregnancy. Block gamete transport. Highly effective, but reversibility is poor. Vasectomy. In male, a small part of vas deferens is removed and tied up through a small incision on scrotum. Tubectomy in female, a small part of fallopian tube is removed and tied up through a small incision in abdomen or through vagina. Now, medical termination of pregnancy. Induced abortion, intentional or voluntary termination of pregnancy before full term, legalized in India in 1971, safest in first trimester, riskier in second trimester. Reason: unwanted pregnancy, unprotected intercourse, fetal abnormalities, danger to mother या fetus or both, failure of contraceptive during coitus. MTP Amendment Act 2017. Intention reduce incidence of illegal abortion or reduce consequent maternal mortality or morbidity. Law: MTP may be done in first 12 week by permission of one medical practitioner, in more than 12 week or less than 24 week by permission of two medical practitioners. Now, part second, sexually transmitted infection, STIs, also known as venereal disease or reproductive tract infection. Venereal disease, pathogen and type: gonorrhea, pathogen Neisseria gonorrhea, type bacteria. Venereal disease, genital herpes, pathogen herpes simplex virus, type virus, genital warts. Pathogen human papilloma virus, type virus. Syphilis, Treponema pallidum, bacterium. Trichomonias vaginalis, type protozoan. Chlamydiosis, Chlamydia trachomatis, bacterium. Hepatitis B virus, that type is virus. Except for genital herpes, genital warts, and HIV infection, other diseases are completely curable if detected earlier. Most venereal disease age group is 15 to 24 years. Symptoms: primary symptoms: itching, fluid discharge, slight pain, swelling. Secondary symptoms: prevent inflammatory disease, PID, abortion, stillbirth, ectopic pregnancy, infertility, cancer of reproductive tract. Precaution: avoid sex with unknown partner, always use condom during coitus, early detection and diagnosis from qualified doctor. Infertility: inability to conceive or produce children even after 2 years of unprotected sexual cohabitation. Reason: physical, congenital, disease, drug, immunological, physiological, or other. Often the female is blamed for couple being childless, but more often problem lies in male partner. Infertility treated by assisted reproductive technology called ART method. In vitro fertilization, IVF. fertilization occur outside female body. एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे गिफ्ट की जगह जिप्ट होगा, ZIFT होगा. IUT इसकी. In vivo fertilization. fertilization occur inside female body. Example gift and AI. AI, that means artificial insemination. In vitro fertilization, IVF. ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection, a specialized procedure performed on embryo in a laboratory in which a sperm is directly injected into ovum. Technique to embryo transfer, test tube baby program. Gift, gamete intrafallopian transfer, zygote or early embryo up to 8 blastomere is transferred into the fallopian tube. IUT, intrauterine transfer. Embryo with more than 8 blastomere is transferred into uterus. In vivo fertilization. Gift, gamete intrafallopian transfer. Transfer of ovum from donor to fallopian tube of another female who cannot produce but can provide suitable environment for fertilization. AI in artificial insemination. Semen is collected from husband or healthy donor and introduced into vagina or into uterus. IUT, intrauterine insemination of female. Important point. Infertility, inability to conceive or produce children even after 2 years of unprotected intercourse is called infertility.